Something really landed for me today, very transformational. I've been a network marketer for over 30 years and done a lot of personal development and a lot of Richard's stuff, but the one thing about Richard's workshops, it's never about him telling us we should, we could. It's all about where we're at. And I guess it was time for me to realize that telling the truth is really the most important thing.
I don't know what number this is, but each time I come, Richard brings out another level in me. I have a very hard head, and I had a lot of issues growing up, and so this has just expanded me, and my business is just doing really well. And I am so grateful to Richard for doing these, and his coaching is just impeccable.
This is my first Bliss workshop. I was just totally amazed at the skill that Richard brought and how he was able to relate and draw out of us things that we really probably didn't ever even think about impacting us and how we lived and how we are successful. So I highly recommend it for everyone, and don't say no because you'll regret it.
Absolutely off the charts. What do you think?
It's wonderful. It was really exciting, and we've been to something similar to this, but it doesn't even compare. I feel like this was getting your PhD in comparison to like high school or something. It covered so many different things. Richard brought a lot of humor into it too. I need to work on my vision, what I ended up with, but it's a really good start. I know that it's going to change my life.
So I'm walking out really excited about what's going to happen in my life moving forward. So thank you so much, Richard Brooke. I love you dearly.
To create your vision is so much different than goal setting. Like, I realized that it's deeper, like something you have to go to your core of like what you were told or stuff like that, and like realize that there's just, here's your vision, this is what you want, and go get it.
Bliss Business Workshop number 4, and I can tell you the 3 before were fantastic, absolutely incredible. I've learned a lot about myself, but this one, the 4th one, I'm going to try and not get emotional about it, but it was a big one. I had a huge awakening to things that are making me stumble in life, period. So not just in my business, in life, and the things that I need to do, I want to do, and I can do to change that.
Wow, I just got to say, there's something amazing about what Richard brings to this. It's hard to describe. It's like he's able to draw something out of us in a very grounded way without, putting himself on a pedestal, which I really, really admire, and I feel like I have so much more information and clarity about how to get started the right way.
I think that Richard has this art, this skill to help people uncover their strengths and peel away their weaknesses.
This is a lot of fun, but it's also it's very moving, and he's very authentic, and it helps me become more authentic myself.
I've done a lot of self-development workshops, and I've done a few of Richard's workshops. I really wanted to share with everybody how full of integrity and honesty Richard is. And today was the first time where I feel, after all these years, that I was really, really able to get to the core of what is truly important to me and my passion.
I guess what I learned from it is just enjoy the process. It's going to happen. What you want, that date is on the calendar. The tricky part is we don't know that date on that calendar, but believe from Richard's work that it's on the calendar. Enjoy the process of recreating yourself and the art of motivation.
But what I got out of today has to be one of the most amazing experiences I've had. I definitely had a breakthrough. I can tell you that I've been unleashed, and I am on fire, and I can't wait to come back and be able to speak at a conference and say how much my life was changed today. Don't give up, don't lose hope, and don't lose the faith. Believe in yourself, because you are unstoppable. You're a beast, so go out there and get it. And thank you, Richard Bliss Brooke, so much for your honesty. I appreciate it, and I love you.